Hello, everyone. I hope you are in the mood to learn how to create the video activities today. And our the group number 1, including Barno Yunusva, Gulnigor Habiba, and the Dilorom Oktayba. Today, we are gonna introduce you how to create the video lesson for your students by the help of the interactive tool. The first, we need the Google page from the browser. We need the browser first of all, because the browser is better here to create your lesson. First, we should open the Google page from the browser and write the tool name of the tool. The name of the tool is ISLcollective.com. Why we are adding the .com? It means that Google automatically opens the home page of this activity. The Google didn't. Well, let's start. Here you can see the homepage of the ISLcollective. From here, you can find out the different activities for your lesson, worksheets, PowerPoints, and video lessons. They are already have been prepared, but today we will show you how to create your video lesson. Let's get started. The first, you can see here, the page of the tool, which is specialized to create the video lesson. There's three types of the buttons, including the generate vocabulary quiz, generate grammar quiz, and make your own custom quiz. All of them are required the same steps. Therefore, today we just introduce you how to create the vocabulary quiz. Here you can also see the YouTube only. It means that you can take the only YouTube channels, videos from the YouTube, and create your own lesson. Good. Let's get started. Take the video and copy the link of the video URL, and paste it here. Paste it here and press the button vocabulary quiz.
Thank you, Dilorom. So either vocabulary words or grammar points found in your video in this tool. This is the amazing time saver for us. It takes just few minutes to automatically create a video quizzes around specific topics for your students. So let's see how awesome is this. So I'd like to make a vocabulary quiz based on this cartoon. So I'm going to select a vocabulary level and click on depending on the English level of my students. So let's say we are going to do a pre-intermediate level quiz. So I'll just click on that and I'm going to click on generate quiz. So when I click on this, so here we go, the vocabulary quiz is ready for pre-intermediate students based on the vocabulary words found in this video. All the words are in that level that which we have chosen with you before. So here on the left hand side, we have a red button to add tasks to that video. At any point that you want, you can push this button and it automatically shows a panel with types of questions. That is gap fill question, multiple choice, scramble sentence task, open-ended question, matching task, interactive picture dictionary task, correct the wrong word, find the extra word, listen and tap the word, and you can even cut the part that is not needed or that is not relevant for your students. And finally, when you have finished with questions, you can go to the left corner can you see the green button there? So when you go there, when you push on it, you can see or watch the video. It asks for the modes. Here you see watch video without quiz, interactive mode, casino mode, or non-interactive mode. So choose the interactive mode and then click on it and start. And then you can see what you have made from the perspective of your students. And there you can change, you can correct if you had any mistakes or some misunderstandings. So here we have created our vocabulary video quizzes. Thank you.
Okay, moving to another part of creating your video activity, you should press on edit text. It is divided into two parts, required and optional. If you press on required part, you can see a number of sessions. In the first part, you should include the title of your video, which is followed by the task description, where you should use only English language, and in the next part you should include scene summary, what happens in the scene of your video. And the next part, video genre, what kind of genre is your video, you should include it. And it is followed by the lesson type, whether it is a vocabulary, grammar activity, or any other kind of activity. And in the other part, you should include the level of your learners. Here you can see all the levels, and you will choose your target group's level. And in the next part, student type, you can see all type of learners here, and you can choose accordingly one of them. And in the last part, copyright license, you should include ISLcollective copyright license. And if you press on optional button, you can see some functions here as well. And having used any functions you want, you should move to save button. And if you press on it, your video will be automatically saved on this website.
Okay. Besides the video, you can also add the lesson plan for your lesson, for your video activity. And also you can add the discussion questions. It must be related to the video, and vocabulary list. It requires the vocabularies which used in this video. That's all about the tool which today we are gonna introduce you. Besides, you also add besides the English language, you also create the activities for other subjects, but you cannot upload this video on this website. Only you can share the link to your students. But you can upload the lesson which relates to the English language to this website. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoy from this tool, and you can create your own activity.
Thank you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you.